everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram Reels couldn't share to your WhatsApp try again problem in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to share the Reels to your WhatsApp and you are seeing the error couldn't share to WhatsApp, please try again. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to just long press on your Instagram app, then tap on I button, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, then go back, then tap on force stop, then go back, then open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, you just need to restart your phone. After restarting, open your Instagram app, then you will see your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram Reels couldn't share to your WhatsApp. Please try again error on your Android.